In this video, I'm going to share the real deal on how to avoid major home repair headaches by picking the right materials and sealing your space like a pro. Alright, so first up, when you're choosing materials for any home project, make sure they're actually compatible. Like, don't go mixing metals that can corrode or wood that might rot when it touches certain plastics. Next, sealing gaps and cracks is huge. Even tiny openings let in drafts, bugs, or moisture that messes up your walls and floors over time. You want to use good caulking or weather stripping to lock that stuff out. Then, insulation is not just some boring thing. It's what keeps your energy bills from shooting through the roof and your house cozy all year long. Don't skip it or cut corners there. Also, think about how materials respond to weather changes, because expansion and contraction can cause cracks or warping if you're not careful. When you're installing anything, take your time to do it right so stuff doesn't come loose or break fast. If you're dealing with plumbing or electrical work, always go with materials rated for those uses specifically. It's way safer and lasts longer. And finally, ask around for recommendations or check reviews online before buying stuff. Trust me, it saves you from a world of trouble. One of the biggest mistakes I see is using incompatible materials that end up corroding or decaying way too fast, which means bigger repairs down the line. Another rookie move is failing to seal gaps and cracks properly, leaving your home open to drafts, pests, and water damage. That stuff adds up quick. The third thing folks mess up is ignoring insulation needs. This not only hikes your energy bills, but makes your home uncomfortable to live in, especially during extreme weather. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid hookup for homeowners looking to connect with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff. Plus, it's a great spot for contractors wanting to find legit work without all the hassle of chasing leads.